Lamentations, a poignant book from the Bible, captures the raw anguish and sorrow of a city in ruins. Imagine a once thriving place now desolate, its people suffering in silence. In the very first chapter, Jerusalem stands mournfully alone like a widow, longing for days gone by. Chapter 1 sets the tragic stage, with the city lamenting her lost splendor. Key themes like loss and helplessness resonate, especially in verse 1. How deserted lies the city, once so full of people. Chapter 2 deepens this despair, attributing Jerusalem's suffering to divine wrath. The metaphors are intense. Verse 11 cries out, "My eyes fail from weeping." Here, we witness the city's cries, feeling every scar and witnessing every consequence of a broken covenant. In chapter 3, the narrative shifts slightly, offering a glimmer of hope amidst grief. The author, possibly Jeremiah, places personal sorrow within a larger context. Notably, verse 22 gives a glimpse of redemption. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed. The key theme here is the resilience of the human spirit. Chapter 4 returns to the grim reality, describing the severe conditions during and after the siege. The community's agony is palpable, their suffering deepened by memories of former glory. The dire situation is poetically yet vividly depicted in verse 10. With their own hands, compassionate women have cooked their own children. The final chapter, chapter 5, is a collective plea for restoration. It is a cry of repentance and remembrance. The people yearn for divine mercy and restoration. Verse 21 stands out. "Restore us to yourself, Lord, that we may return, renew our days as of old." It captures a desperate hope, a belief in renewal even in the darkest days. Through Lamentations, we traverse despair and faint hope. This book isn't just historical. It's a timeless reminder of the human capacity to endure and seek forgiveness. Amidst devastation, it urges readers to reflect, to remember, and to hope.